Welcome back to another problem-solving video. Today, we're tackling a tricky issue that involves storing an instance of std, mdspan in a structure to be passed to a function. The problem at hand revolves around finding a way to achieve this without converting the client function to a template. It can be quite challenging, especially when faced with the need to avoid using DICL type in the container structure altogether. Now, let's dive into the solution for this problem. The key here lies in correctly specifying the template arguments for mdspan. By utilizing std, dextandsize_t2, you can create a dynamic 2D matrix within the container struct. This approach allows for determining the size of the matrix at runtime, providing flexibility in handling varying dimensions. Remember, specifying the dimensions at compile time using std, extendSize_t2 is ideal for cases where the size is known beforehand, optimizing performance. In summary, we discovered a clever solution to the dilemma of storing an instance of std, mdspan in a structure without the need for template conversion. By leveraging dynamic extents like std, dextandSize_t2, we enable the creation of versatile 2D matrices within the container struct. I hope you found this solution helpful and insightful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any coding jokes you've got up your sleeve. Happy coding! Until next time.